Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be starting second chapter. Chapter name is Numbers and Sequences. Before getting into the problem, we can discuss about history of number theory. Generally, in mathematics, number theory plays important role. Very important role. One of the famous mathematicians whose name is Srinivasa Ramanujan, who had published 30 plus research papers regarding this number theory and who had produced 30,000 plus formulas and theorems. And also he had gotten BA degree in mathematics in 1916 itself, which is considered equivalent to today's modern PhD. So think about how valid it could be. And another famous mathematicians whose name is Euclid, who is called the father of geometry. He also produced a lot of theorems and formulas. And one of the most important theorems is Euclid's division lemma. It seems like complicated, but the concept is very simple. It's a concept of division process. Like what is the dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient, what is remainder, and this all elements will be described using this theorem. So now we can see what is Euclid's division lemma. Now we can see about Euclid's division lemma theorem. For example, if you want to divide 17 by 5, what could be the quotient and what could be the remainder? If you are dividing 17 by 5, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So, if we subtract 5 from 7, we will be getting 2. Okay, this is quotient and this is remainder, and this is dividend, and this is divisor. These are all the elements of division process. This is dividend and this 5 is divisor, 2 is remainder and 3 is quotient. So, if we take this dividend as A and divisor as B, this quotient as Q, this remainder as R, then how we can get this 17? If we multiply 5 with 3, we'll be getting 15, right? 15 plus 2, we'll be getting the answer as 17. So 17 will be defined by multiplying this divisor with quotient, and that answer should be added with remainder. Okay, so we can say A equal B into Q, quotient plus R. This is the formula. Okay, A means here 17, right? B means here 5. 5 into Q. What is Q? Q is 3 and remainder is 2, right? We will be getting 17. According this formula, we will be getting this, right? This is the formula of Euclid's division lemma theorem. Here, always this remainder should be lesser than this divisor. Okay, this remainder always lesser than divisor. What is divisor? B. In each and every case, this condition should be true. This divisor should be greater than this remainder. I mean, remainder is lesser than divisor. But if you want to divide 10 by 5, if you want to divide 10 by 5, we'll be getting 2 5s are 10. The remainder is 0, right? The remainder will be greater than or equal to 0. The remainder will be starting from 0 and goes on. But that should be lesser than divisor. That is the condition, which could be true in all the cases. So that we can write R less than B but greater than or equal to 0. This is all about Euclid's division lemma. Now we can see example 2.1 problem. Here the question is, we have 34 cakes. Each box can hold 5 cakes only. How many boxes we need to pack? How many boxes we need to pack and how many cakes are unpacked? Here the question is, how many boxes we need to pack? We have total 34 cakes. Each box can hold 5 cakes and we need to find out how many boxes will be required for packing these cakes and how many cakes will be left over. Okay, this question seems very big in size, but the answer is very simple. What we are going to do is, we will be dividing 34 by 5 and quotient, and we need to find out the boxes, right? So the quotients will be the number of boxes we need and the remainder will be leftover cakes. That is the answer. Okay, just we are going to divide 34 by 5. That's it. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, I have written the given information. What is given in the question? Total number of cakes, that is 34, and number of cakes in each box, 5. Okay, we need to find out how many boxes are required for packing these cakes. So I'm going to divide 34 by 5. If you want to divide 34 by 5, what would be the quotient? 6 5s are 30, right? 6 5s are 30. If you want to subtract 0 from 4, we'll be getting 4. So this is quotient, right? This is quotient and this is remainder, and this one is divisor. We have to write each and every elements. What is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient, what is remainder. Everything we have to mention for this answer. And how we can write the answer for this? Exact answer. 6 boxes are required for packing 30 cakes with 4 cakes left over. This is leftover cake, right? The remainder should be leftover cake. So how we can write the answer? 6 boxes are required for packing 30 cakes with 4 cakes left over. That is the answer. We can write 6 boxes required for packing 30 cakes with 4 cakes left over. This is the answer of example 2.1. This is the very basic thing of division. Okay, this is very basic concept. So this is all about example 2.1. That's it for this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give thumbs up, share it with your friends. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.